Hello, Akshay.
Hi.
You know about my research project.
Yes.
So I'm with. I'll just give you a brief introduction about the project. So I'm a researcher with GNOME, and I'm going to conduct a usability test for GNOME, and I'm going to do this to improve the usability and experience of GNOME for people who don't who use it and people who are newly introduced to this desktop. And so this test is actually a test of GNOME and not you.
Okay.
And so you basically cannot do anything wrong over here.
Okay.
And wherever you get stuck, it will just tell me where GNOME is failing your expectations
Okay.
and not you. So you don't worry about making any sort of mistakes here. And um, and I would want to hear exactly what you think as you move along this process. So don't worry about hurting my feelings about GNOME, and everything you say will go a long way in improving GNOME.
Okay.
So you could say anything that you want, and it would be awesome if you're just saying things very honestly. And as we go along, I'm going to ask you to think out loud
Okay.
on whatever steps that we are following. And if you tell me what's going on in your mind, I would be able to direct you better. And
Okay.
um, this will help me in my research. And if you have questions, you may just ask. I may not be able to answer all of them right away. I'll try to. But I would be more interested in seeing how people work out when there is no one to answer their questions. And but I'll still try to answer any questions when we are done. And so we have a lot to do. I'm going to ask you to do some tasks, small tasks, and these are the tasks that you might be doing in your daily activity. And we'll try to make sure that this exercise is fun for you. And you might have noticed that we are recording your screen. So with your permission, we are going to record this, and this will help me in making notes later and not now. And with your permission, we would also like to make this video available publicly
Okay.
so
Yeah,
that
sure.
other researchers can also benefit from this exercise. And this will also help other developers who are working on GNOME to take note of the problems that you are going to help in uncovering.
Okay.
And so, before we start, I would like to ask you a couple of questions on what do you do, what are your interests.
So I'm a graphic designer. I work on designs, branding, visual layouts, just about everything visual.
Okay.
It may be some creative campaign, it can be some newsletters, it could be anything that has to do with visuals and design.
Okay. So, how long have you been working in this
It's
field?
been it's been around 3 years,
Okay.
and I've worked on-site campaigns, digital campaigns,
Mm-hmm.
animations. I've
Mm-hmm.
worked on some video shootings and as a video production guy, and
Mm-hmm. And you
White.
told me that you used an open source software as an OS initially. So
In the
what
early
did
days
you
of
use?
I think I used Ubuntu 7
Okay.
live CDs, the ones you used to get in mail,
Mm-hmm.
and I used uh, I used Fedora 11
Okay.
once,
Okay.
and Knoppix. I use Knoppix a lot for recovering data from crashed Windows systems and all.
Mm-hmm. So you are familiar with an open source desktop, and
Yeah, a
that
little.
is primarily why we are conducting this interview with you, because you are familiar with the
Yeah, I'm
yeah
familiar,
yeah.
but I haven't used any open source software since last 2 to 3 years.
Uh-huh.
So I'm not familiar with the new developments in this.
Yeah,
Huh.
so it'll be interesting to
Yeah.
get you back on the system and see
Yeah.
what would be your expectations now, and whether we have been able to fully work on them. I see that you're using a tablet for navigation and not using a mouse
Yeah.
nor a trackpad. So,
Yeah.
is there any reason why you do that?
It's more comfortable. It's more natural to use tablets instead of mouse.
Mm-hmm.
Plus, in tablets, I mean, with mouse, you restrict your. You put an arm in one place and the movement gets restricted. I can
Uh-huh.
use my complete arm, and
Uh-huh.
it's more comfortable for me.
Okay. How long have you been using this? The tablet instead of the mouse?
7-8 months,
7 8 months. Okay.
or maybe more than that. But earlier in office, I could not take my big tablet,
Mm-hmm.
so I used mouse over there.
Okay.
I had to use mouse.
Okay. And you said that you haven't used any of the open source desktops since 2 3 years.
Yeah.
So what exactly do you use for your work?
Earlier, I used to work on Windows 7
Okay.
in my previous company, and then I switched to Mac.
Okay. So all the applications are
Yeah,
Macs.
they're all on Mac.
Okay. Okay. We'll start, and there is a all throughout there would be these things that I would want to do, and I would give you a brief introduction of what I would like to do, and we'll see how you're able to do these tasks on Gnome.
Okay.
And so I wanted to share an interesting piece of research that is published on Free Software by a researcher. It is available on her website as a free download. Could you download it?
Okay. Wait.
So the name of the researcher is Gabriella Coleman. Yeah, and this is the name of the book. The name of the book is Coding Freedom.
Coding freedom.
Yeah.
PDF.
Yeah.
Open in new tab.
You're trying to open the PDF?
Yeah, this will directly open it in.
Mm-hmm. What do you think these icons are?
This is, I think, inbuilt in Firefox. I never use Firefox, I use Chrome.
Okay.
It has the same thing. So this is, I think, inbuilt PDF viewer in Firefox.
Uh-huh. So we're
This-
going to be
I'll download
downloading this
Yeah.
book. Do you read PDFs online, or do you generally download them?
It depends on the kind of content it is. If
Mhm.
it's too long, I might read it later.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, I'll just go through it online and then
Mhm.
save it if for further use in future.
Mm-hmm. What do you think is happening right now?
It's downloading.
Uh-huh.
One of the things I'm looking for is a minimize button, which I can't seem to find.
Why do you want to minimize this window?
If, for example, if I need to, okay, if I need to do something else while this is downloading,
Uh-huh.
I need to be aware if there is this thing for minimizing.
Uh-huh.
So they removed the taskbar, I think.
Mm-hmm. You could.
And one of the things I found, I could not figure if the desktop was completely loaded because it was completely blank.
Okay. Okay.
So I had to guess activities might be like a dashboard or something
Uh-huh.
on this.
What do you think this is?
This is dashboard, application dashboard.
Uh-huh.
Uh, Generally, if I'm using a new operating system, I would like to be aware of where things are.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just going through all the places that are visually, I mean, I can access them.
Uh-huh.
from just by looking at them.
So we can also do this. Could you let me know what the icons here? What could they be?
This is sound, this is Wi-Fi, battery,
Uh-huh.
and this is live system user. Yeah.
Uh-huh. What could this be?
In case it's my own system, I can have my own profile picture, my name,
Uh-huh.
and I am thinking that it will be integrated with their chat system.
Uh-huh.
It might be
What
Pigeon or
what
something.
made you think so?
Because I think last time when I used it, some version of Ubuntu,
Mm-hmm.
it had. I think the Pigeon was integrated with this. I think
Uh-huh.
I'm not
Okay.
sure, and this
Okay.
offline thing only makes sense if I'm online not chatting something.
Yeah. You're
Settings.
almost. You're right, actually.
Okay, this is the control panel.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, system preferences, tablet absolute.
And you connected your Wacom directly, and it worked.
Yeah,
Yeah.
out of the box.
Yeah.
Okay, it's now asking save for file.
Mm-hmm.
Download complete.
Uh-huh. And so the next thing would be to we've already saved it,
Yeah.
and we would need to forward it to a friend. So
Okay.
could you do that?
Okay, sure. Full screen. Okay, this is good. I mean, you can full screen just by dragging it up.
Uh-huh.
I'll use Gmail.
You could just send it to me. Would be Akanksha. Yeah. K-A-N-K.
K-A. Akanksha. Okay.
Dot G.
Dot G.
A-U-R कर सकते हैं @gmail.com.
Book PDF.
Yeah.
The rest of the steps will be the same on every Gmail. So.
Yeah.
Try. Okay, desktop. It's gonna be in downloads.
Uh-huh.
Coleman open.
We'll just let it be, and we'll just
Move on to the next task.
we'll move on to the next task. How do you how did you find this task? Was it easy? You were able to use the system properly? The
Yeah,
mail?
I could easily use it.
So Akshay, how much time do you think you spend generally browsing the web? In a let's say on a working day, how much time do you spend online?
7-8 hours in a day.
Okay,
At
and
least.
does that include after working hours as well?
I think that after working hours will be plus 1 or 2 hours.
Okay, so
Yeah.
what are your 2-3 most accessed websites?
One would be the Facebook,
Mm-hmm.
and some design blogs and basic
Mail?
blogs. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
mail would be a really small part of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. we'll try and get on to the documents now. So
Okay.
so since I'm conducting multiple interviews in a week, and I have lost track of how many interviews I conducted. Can you help me in making a document
Okay.
with the title interviewee list, and I need
Okay.
it to be mailed. Need it to be mailed
Okay.
back to me. So there's a document I need.
So right now I'm thinking how to minimize this so I can file view. I can just close it, but I need it again, so
Yeah.
it's not showing me
Do you
minimize.
do you want to do a right click here?
Okay. Okay. I'll look in activities.
Uh-huh.
I'll probably look for something that looks like a document. Office writer.
Uh-huh.
I think this used to be Open Office, or it was a Libre. How do I get out of it? Yeah.
It is open. So I just want your name in this.
List of interviewees or something?
Yeah, yeah. That's it. And the date today.
Along with the date. Okay. Wednesday, June 5th.
That's it.
File,
Yeah.
save as.
The title would be interviewee list.
And, list.
That's it.
So it's saving it in. I could save it in documents.
Yeah,
Save. Now where is? No, now to find. Okay.
yeah. You were looking to find the browser?
Browser, yeah.
Okay.
Compose.
Uh-huh.
To documents. Where is it? Interview list. Open. I think I just clicked it and okay.
Yeah.
That's-
Yeah, that's it.
You're done.
We'll just let it be. We'll just let the window be. We'll not close it.
Should I keep this open in document?
You could close. You could
Okay.
shut it down. So, Akshay, generally, how do you maintain documents on your system?
I make a document for just documents, which is the default folder, and I keep a separate folder for PDFs
Okay.
because I use PDFs for design references and ideas on brochures and etc.
Okay.
So I keep PDFs separately.
Separately than the documents.
Yeah.
And so, what is it that you normally make documents for?
I make documents for my sometimes I need some blog posts that I need to read later, so I make a document on it and print them later.
Okay.
And sometimes I make just basic list of things to do
Okay.
on documents.
Okay. And what applications do you generally use to make the documents?
Microsoft Word,
Okay.
but now started using Velocity Notation, a
Okay.
notepad for Mac.
Okay.
So it also syncs my files to the simple note.
Okay. Okay. That helped you.
Yeah.
So in this task where you are making this document, did you find anything surprisingly good or bad? Or were you how would you rate the experience of actually making a document on Gnome?
I still had this. I could not find certain things
Like
in the
what?
first go. For example, I'm still confused how this automatically goes away when I need to minimize it, and I just how it works. I'm really confused about this thing. It's not working.
We'll just move on to the next task now, right? You could right click and minimize it.
No, it's not working.
No? It worked initially. Here. Right click is not working?
No, even normal click is not working.
We'll see. We'll
Okay.
see it later. So for the next task, I had downloaded about 2 illustrations actually. About a week back, there was one art worksheet that I had downloaded, and I cannot seem to find it.
Okay.
Can you look for those art worksheets?
Okay.
Yeah.
Art worksheet.
I don't even remember the name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it a photograph or a
I think it's a PDF.
PDF?
Yeah.
It's not working. So
Is it?
I'll see. Does it have a control panel or something? Control Alt Tab.
No, it's not. Let us see. What is going on? The system is frozen. So the system has frozen. We were just trying to make it up. I'm going to shut the video.